It's November 30th, 2011. I'm in Duck Creek Park here, north end of Salt Spring Island, and there's a big western red cedar tree. Isn't that a beauty? Got a few woodpecker holes in the bottom. Duck Creek right there. It's coming in here to fix a bridge. Beautiful day here, beautiful morning here on Salt Spring Island. That look nice? All the nice western red sword ferns. Lots of mossy trees. This is what it looks like on a Salt Spring Island forest. Douglas fir there. Another perfect day for working outside. If you like moss, this is the place to be. Moss and ferns and lots of other evergreen undergrowth.